Okay, everything's blowing cold. She's working fine. I'm just doing a scan system check, a health report on it because I had a leak. I just want to see what that is. One of the tire pressure. I'm going to check what that is. See if I can't fix it. If it's tire pressure, we're going to check the. See if I can't reset them. I got my TPS reset, so just let it run. This takes a little while to do a full system, so but when it's done, it checks everything. So far, everything looks good. Exceptions for, let's see, we have a ECM. Let's see if y'all can see it. They're not bad. The car's 166,000 miles on it. It's not bad. This is everything. Everything that's green is good. Well, it sucks every time it resets. Every time it does that, it goes back to the park assist. This stuff isn't equipped. A lot of not equipped. Fine. I don't want to pause it because it's almost done with it. But anyways, I'll let this run through. We'll see if I can't reset. EC's done, fixed. She's blowing cold now.